what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians.
Well, congratulations are in order for Amapiano artist Reece Madlisa, one of the duo from Amaroto. He bought himself a new GTI. Well guys, I guess it's true when they say if you chase your dream long enough, in the end, the dreams will reward you. Okay guys, thank you. Do watch this video as he is enjoying himself. And if you're new to this channel, please do make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Abantwana lapha emigalo ayeyistayela lapha emigalo emigalo yenabo hafu ebebikeli sohlangana emigalo aha ebafethu sohlangana emigalo ebebikeli sohlangana emigalo basa ebafethu sohlangana emigalo akakho uthola amakhalata fresh lapha emigalo kushitsakila lapha emigalo.